San Antonio police were monitoring an illegal after-hours bar as officers moved toward the building. Someone locked the front door from the inside.
Is he going in?
They're already yelling to lock the front door. They're scrambling like roaches inside. They locked the front.
When officers suddenly spotted an armed suspect near the back entrance. As people started leaving the building, police say one man pointed a handgun directly at officers. Officers immediately shouted commands for him to drop the weapon before shots were fired. The officer fired several rounds, striking the suspect. The suspect ran back inside as SWAT teams surrounded the nightclub for several hours. As people continued running out through both exits, the suspect stayed inside for hours before finally surrendering.
Step back. Step back. Step back. Step back. Officers later entered the building and arrested 28-year-old Aaron Herda Hernandez. Police say no officers or civilians were injured during the incident. Police later recovered a firearm from the scene. San Antonio police responded after multiple 911 callers reported.
9351 Alpha, be advised, the vehicle is going to be almost halfway submerged in the water. It's going to be on the north end of the park, I believe, by the workout equipment.
San Antonio police responded after a driver crashed into Woodlawn Lake while driving erratically through a crowded walking trail.
Off the trail.
As officers approached the lake, bystanders pointed out a man still inside the vehicle.
Is there anybody in there?
Get out. He says he's the only one.
There's a guy. It's him? That's him?
Yep, that's him. Police is here.
Police say the driver was speeding through the walking trail and nearly struck multiple pedestrians before crashing into the water.
9351, I got eyes on one male. He's trying to exit the driver's side of the vehicle.
The driver eventually climbed out of the car and started making his way toward the shore, while officers checked if anyone else was trapped inside.
Seems to be fine. Sir, are you okay, or are you sure you can move? Is there anyone in the vehicle with you? Careful, careful, careful! Just hold on to the car. Keep making your way, okay? Yeah. Is there anyone else in the vehicle?
No.
No?
Towel?
No.
9353 enough. Be advised. Individual is okay. No one else is in the vehicle. He's making his way out right now. We can slow everyone else down. Careful, careful. 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 All right, okay.
Once the man reached the grass near several pedestrians, an officer noticed a knife sticking out of his pocket.
Hold on. You have a knife in your pocket, buddy. Put it down. Throw it down.
The officer repeatedly ordered him to drop the knife, but the suspect pulled it out and started walking directly toward her.
Throw it down. Throw it down. Throw it down. 9351 Alpha. I got one at gunpoint. He's got a knife. He's coming towards me. Put down the knife!
Even after multiple warnings, the suspect refused to drop the knife.
Put down the knife, please! I don't want to shoot you. What's going on? What's going on? Please, stop! Stop! I don't want to shoot you! Stop!
The suspect continued walking toward the officer before she opened fire.
Stop! Stop! Put the knife down! Stop! Put
Put the knife down, please! Put the knife down! Please!
Officers and paramedics attempted life-saving measures before the suspect, identified as 30-year-old Chase Deckard Thomas, was transported to a local hospital. Authorities say he was charged with aggravated assault against a police officer, while the investigation remains ongoing. Police received a call about a theft. The caller reported that a suspect stole kitchen shears from a restaurant and fled into a wooded area behind the building.
Yeah, go ahead and start me cover there to 240. What did he do?
He took one of the,
As the officer exited his vehicle, he was approached by a woman, likely a restaurant employee. She confirmed that the suspect had stolen the kitchen shears.
Stealing from the kitchen.
Did he go in the kitchen?
Yeah, but he was right there.
Does he still have them on him?
We don't know. He came back into the restaurant.
She pointed toward the parking lot. He's right there. The suspect was standing in the parking lot.
Hey, brother, come here. Hey, look at me, brother. What's your name?
I don't have one of those.
You want to sit down for me?
When the officer reached him, he asked the suspect to sit down. The suspect ignored the request and said he needed the officer's gun to kill himself.
Sit down, brother. Huh? Sit down for me. No, I'm not going to give you my gun, brother. Huh?
Qualified immunity. It's all good.
Sit down. Do me a favor and sit down. So we can talk, man. I want to talk to you.
Despite the officer's repeated request to sit down, the suspect ignored him. After standing still for a moment, the suspect suddenly lunged at the officer.
Have him step it up. Step it up. Huh?
The officer backed away and drew his pepper spray. The suspect reached for the officer's holster. The officer's body camera fell to the ground during the struggle. The officer fired 2 rounds, striking the suspect. The officer called for help immediately. EMS arrived and worked to save the suspect's life. The suspect was 23-year-old Sheldon Butts. He was shot in the abdomen and rushed to the hospital. Butts survived and now faces serious charges: assaulting a police officer and trying to take his weapon. The officer was placed on administrative leave while the shooting is investigated. The case is being reviewed by both the police department and the district attorney's office.
Ready on State Highway 16, southbound, Wrong Reach River, Richmond, Sedan, on Muslim, going north on the southbound side. Code 2, clear south.
Your incident has been updated.
Police were first called after a man threatened to take his own life and warned officers he had multiple rifles inside the apartment.
San Antonio 911, this is Liliana. Do you need police, fire, EMS?
Probably the police. I'm over here at apartments at Stone Oak, right by the golf course. I'm fixing to shoot myself. They better be careful. I have high-powered rifles and everything. If they come at me, I'm coming at them.
Minutes later, another emergency call came in from a family member saying the suspect was already outside firing shots.
Yes, now we're going to be the same room now on P car 154.
San Antonio 911, do you need police or an ambulance?
I need the police. Emergency, hurry. My son has my gun and he's outside. He's shooting.
Thank you, monitoring the shooting squad that we got in. Apartment.
Your vehicle is facing that building. Is that the building in question, or it's the one directly to your left?
Should we stage? We need to get her out of here. Yeah. Directly ahead and to the left is the apartment on the bottom. I'll go with you. I'll go with you.
Okay.
As officers moved into the apartment complex, the suspect suddenly opened fire. hitting one of the officers almost immediately.
I'm hit! James, where are you at?
Police helicopter footage later showed the suspect hiding behind a truck while aiming his gun at officers in the helicopter overhead.
We're at the building in front of his. We're by the southern corner.
Eagle, he is in the back of that building, pointing the gun at me. He's in the back.
At one point, the suspect hid underneath a truck as officers searched the area. Officers tried surrounding the area, but the suspect kept running between cover and the apartment building. Once back inside, the suspect started firing through a window toward officers outside, injuring several more officers. As more officers arrived, police locked down the entire apartment complex while SWAT moved in. Even after SWAT arrived, the suspect continued firing from inside the apartment during a long standoff.
Obstruction. I'm never moving backwards. I'm hit!
After hours of failed negotiations, SWAT officers finally returned fire, striking the suspect. The suspect, identified as 46-year-old Brandon Scott Poulos, was pronounced dead at the scene. A total of 7 officers were injured, though all are expected to recover. Police later recovered several firearms believed to have been used during the shooting.